Hi Walton, just wanted to send this video so I can show you very clearly what I mean by the assembly, and so because I think not everything's going to be clear on my model. This top bracket here, this will be welded in, so it's probably going to want spot welds going down the face there, and then underneath up here will want to be spot welded on there. Now that's the only part that will be welded on this. Sorry, except for this part here will probably be spot welded along behind there, so it goes onto the main face. And then down here as well, this part here will also be welded on. These parts down below, you'll see that inside I've actually installed for those rivet bolt nuts or whatever they were called. I've specified these to be M4 and the holes on here to be M5, so there's a 0.5mm clearance each side. So that's the same on each side that you can see down there as well. If I do a section, you can see it better like that. And I think I've got a section the other way, there we go. Okay, so you can see there as well, so those would be M4 with M5 holes on the brackets there. Okay, in terms of in the middle here, these holes here, I need you to supply me, these are 5mm holes, so I need you to supply me with M4 bolts with nuts. So then I can I can screw these parts together myself. Then on here as well, I need you to also supply me with, there is a 4mm hole. So I need an M4 hole there, but I need it to be tapped as well, so that then these parts can be screwed on. So basically I'm looking to be able to screw this plate into that bracket there. So in all those 4 points there, they'll need tapping on the inside of the hole, on the inner hole in there. Equally here, in this bracket up here, this is for a camera mount. I need you, please, this is a 2mm M2 hole, and I need that to be tapped as well. There's going to be like a little camera PCB that we mounted on there. And can you also supply, please, 4 M2 screws as well that can fit that. Okay, I think that's basically everything in terms of the design. If you have any questions, obviously, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm hoping you can draw the dimensions off the step files that I've sent you, but I can supply drawings if you need.